Latest research and development. 1. Ancient, mystery solved in 480 million-year-old fossils. Rare fossils reveal that worms managed to survive multiple mass extinction events. 2. Everything we know about Vikings may be wrong, according to scholars. Scholars reveal that much of what we think we know about Vikings and Norse mythology is based on later reinterpretations rather than original sources. 3. Scientists discover ancient 13-foot-long crocodile relative in Egypt. A newly identified fossil species, Vardisuchus casabi, dating to the Campanian period, about 80 million years ago, extends the evolutionary history of Dinosauridae and underscores Egypt's western desert as an important center for early marine crocodile evolution. 4. We couldn't believe how weird it was, the world's strangest dinosaur just got weirder. Research on fossils reveals that Ankylosaur's iconic tail weapons evolved much earlier than scientists had previously believed. 5. This common metal has an unusual power. A new manganese I complex sets a record for the longest excited state lifetime, opening the door to future large-scale applications in photochemistry. 6. Mathematicians unveil a smarter way to predict the future. Lehigh researchers create new method that improves consistency between predicted and observed data. 7. Researchers shatter impassable barrier in camera technology. AI and nanotechnology converge in a metalens that rivals traditional optics. The discovery promises smaller, smarter imaging systems. 8. How a palm-sized laser could change medicine and manufacturing. Researchers have developed an innovative and versatile system designed for a new generation of short-pulse lasers. 9. Scientists recreate the fiery birth of the universe in the lab. Rice University researchers have taken the universe's temperature by measuring heat from quark gluon plasma, a primordial substance created just after the Big Bang. 10. Physicists discover BISA, quantum pinball, state of matter. Physicists have discovered how to make electrons freeze and melt into BISA quantum patterns, forming a new kind of matter where solid and liquid coexist. 11. Thought to be impossible, scientists show quantum light could be beamed up to space. A new study demonstrates that transmitting quantum signals from Earth to a satellite is achievable, opening the door to more robust quantum communication networks. 12. Psychologists discover that chimps can think rationally, like humans. A new study published in Science shows that chimpanzees are capable of rationally revising their beliefs when they receive new information. 13. Scientists discover 6 mysterious new bat species hiding in plain sight for decades. A new species of tube-nosed bat has been discovered in the protected forests of the Philippines. 14. This gorgeous but dangerous jellyfish was just discovered off Japan's coast. A new species of venomous Portuguese man-of-war, Physalia mikazuki, has been discovered in northern Japan. Thanks for watching this video.